Welcome to Business BTS, where we reveal the secrets behind the biggest moves in the corporate world. Today's video is going to blow your mind. Because what if I told you that some of the most powerful CEOs are letting AI systems make decisions they don't even fully understand? It's happening and the consequences are massive. Take Tesla, for example. Everyone knows about their self-driving cars, but what's less known is how much of their business is being influenced by AI systems. From supply chain logistics to product pricing, Tesla uses AI to optimize operations on a scale humans could never achieve. But here's the catch. These AI systems are making decisions that even Tesla's execs can't always explain. Remember that massive Model 3 production delay? Initially, Tesla aimed to produce 5,000 Model 3s a week by mid-2017. However, production challenges arose, largely due to reliance on automation and AI. The automated processes intended to streamline production ended up creating bottlenecks. This reliance on AI for parts forecasting based on past data failed to account for sudden market shifts, causing significant delays and leading to financial losses. Imagine a scenario where AI predicts the need for thousands of parts, but unexpected issues arise, leading to a backlog. This is the reality that impacted thousands of eager customers waiting for their vehicles. And then there's Amazon, one of the biggest users of AI in the world. Their AI algorithms decide everything from product recommendations to pricing and warehouse management. But what you might not know is that they once had to scrap an entire AI recruiting tool. Why? Because it started discriminating against women in job applications. They trusted AI too much, and it led to a PR disaster. With the sheer volume of data Amazon processes, the AI's flaws became evident. The lesson here? Algorithms can reflect our biases, and companies must remain vigilant. Here's the real kicker. CEOs of some of the biggest companies are starting to admit something unsettling. They're not fully in control anymore. AI is now making critical decisions, and while it's driving growth, it's also leaving executives in the dark. One CEO shockingly confessed, "We're trusting AI systems that even we don't fully understand." It's like letting a black box make billion-dollar decisions. What happens when that trust backfires? Picture this. A CEO is faced with a major investment decision. They turn to AI for guidance, but without understanding its logic, they may end up making a costly error. Google's DeepMind, one of the world's most advanced AI systems, is not just being used in healthcare or gaming. It's now influencing corporate strategy. Some major companies are starting to use DeepMind to analyze data, predict markets, and make strategic decisions. But what if these algorithms get it wrong? We've already seen AI failures in smaller companies. What if the same happens at a massive corporation? This isn't just about efficiency, it's about the essence of leadership. How do you lead a company when the AI might have more insight than you do? As we delve deeper, it becomes clear that there's a pressing need for AI literacy among corporate leaders. They can't just hand over the reins to AI and hope for the best. It's crucial for CEOs and their teams to understand how these systems work, to ask the right questions, and to be prepared for unexpected outcomes. Companies like Microsoft are already training their executives to better understand AI's capabilities and limitations. This proactive approach could mean the difference between success and failure in the AI-driven marketplace. If you thought AI was just a tool, think again. It's taking control in ways that are changing the corporate world forever. Stay tuned for more insights from Business BTS.